right there and I'll take your picture. Come on, Doug. Oh, no, he doesn't. He doesn't want to eat. Go stand by him. Billy, can you say cheese? Yay! Did you like it? Look at his nose. Bye, Goofy.